Hello everyone, today I'm back with another video on kitchen tips, how to store lotus stem or kamal kakdi. This is a seasonal vegetable and a favorite of Sindhis. You'll find lots of recipes in the Sindhi cuisine. We make snacks, we make fritters, we add it to the curries, veg and non-veg, both the curries, and make many dishes out of this. So I'll share most of the recipes I've already made and posted. The links will be shared in the description box. You can check them out as well. And here today you can see how I store it, because it's seasonal and we get it for few months during winters. And when it is not there, we still want to enjoy it for few more months. So this is how you can store it and make whatever you want, use it as and when required. At least we can enjoy for some more time. So let's get started. Wash the lotus stem very nicely and wipe them dry with a kitchen towel. Now we are going to peel them. Cut out both the ends and using a sharp knife scrape out the outer skin. This is the first batch of this season. I went grocery shopping and found them in the store. Usually the store ones are slightly cleaner. There's not much mud stuck to them. When you buy from the vendors in the street, you find them covered with a layer of mud, because that's the way they store them, sprinkling water over them. Now we will cut them into pieces or slices. I'm cutting into thin oblong slices. You can cut them round also as you wish. This is the thickness I keep usually. This way we'll cut all of them. Now we are going to wash them thoroughly in case there is any mud inside them. Put them in a strainer and wash them under running water to make sure they are all very clean. This is a lovely silicone basket or strainer I bought recently. You can use it for steaming vegetables as well. It's very handy. This way you can hang it on the tap until the water is drained out. Now fill a pot with water and transfer the lotus stem slices into it. We are going to parboil them until they are half done. Add salt and let them boil. Give it a mix. Remove the froth that comes on top. Check for the doneness. It should be 50% done. The remaining will be done when we add them to the curries. Now switch off the gas and drain out the water. We let them cool very well before packing them in a box. Now they are cool enough. They are firm and nice, not soft and mushy. You have to take care of that if you are freezing them. Now take plastic boxes, or you can even put them in a Ziploc bag too. I'll divide them into two portions for single use. This is a favorite vegetable of Sindhis. We have lots of dishes that we make with this. We make pakoras, curries, add them to non-veg dishes. All the links will be shared in the description box. You can check them out. When you divide it into portions, it becomes easier. Now this is done. They can be frozen now. They stay good for few months also. So you can enjoy them when the season is not there. I hope this tip is useful and you will give it a try. Thank you for watching and here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out as well. Stay tuned. Bye until next.